we received the TRO 8:25 as shown in that stamp portion. 8:25 in the morning of November 16, and the motion was filed in the afternoon of November 16 po.
Okay. Pagkatapos po noong November 16, kayo po ba'y nakatanggap ng anumang order o notice na buhat sa Korte Suprema?
Pagkatapos po ng November 16, kung natatandaan ko po, ang sumunod na nalaman namin at natanggap namin is another resolution, November 18. Meron uling another resolution na kung saan ay dinenay po yung motion for reconsideration and or lift the TRO at pinapa-show cause po ako, as Secretary of Justice, sa hindi ko daw po pagsunod doon sa TRO.
Yung bang denial of motion for reconsideration na final, it was not subjected to arguments of the parties?
Wala po. It was, apparently, Your Honor, it was taken up in that session of November 18 because there was a resolution dated November 18 na dininay nga po yung motion na yon, and along with that, and in the same resolution po, ay nandun na rin po yung show cause order issued to me and certain other dispositions, kasama po doon yung pinapa-comply yung petitioners na mag-submit ng tamang compliance with respect.
Sino ang pumirma ng denial of the motion for reconsideration?
It was not signed by any of the justices. It's the resolution issued by the clerk of court. So it's not a signed resolution, assigned by the justices. Yung katulad din po yun ng November 15 TRO na it's the unsigned resolution. And the one who actually issued it and signed it is the clerk of court of the Supreme Court and Bank. Your Honor.
Thank you.
Babalikan ko lang po yung tanong.
Yung denial of the motion for reconsideration was done by the Supreme Court and Bank.
Yes, Your Honor.
Babalikan ko lang po yung tanong ng Ginoong Pangulo. Tinanong po kayo kanina kung nagkaroon ng hearing sa Korte Suprema ukol doon sa motion for reconsideration na final ng Solicitor General.